Hi, my name's Tom and I work for the Accommodation Office, and I'm going to talk you through the process of applying for our accommodation. You will have been emailed a link to apply for our accommodation, which will take you to this page, which is our accommodation portal. This includes a link to our accommodation finder, where you can find virtual 360 tours of our accommodation, as well as information about amenities and pricing for each room type. You can also access our terms and conditions, information on the accommodation guarantee, and other useful details. You need to first set up an account to apply for your accommodation. Please click on the tab Accommodation Portal Registration at the top of the web page. To register, you will need to include your date of birth, preferred email address, and UEA student number, which starts with 100. After submitting this, you will then need to create a password. You will now be able to log in. To do this, you will need to type in your email address and the password you just created. This will take you back to the main portal web page. You can now select the Apply for Accommodation option. You'll be taken to a page where you can select the term dates for your accommodation. Typically, you'll only be given one option to choose from here. If not, then the correct option to pick will be the one which matches up with your course dates. Your course dates will have been sent to you when you accepted your offer with UEA, so you can always check these if you're unsure. The portal will then show you the information we have for you on our system, so that you can check that this is right. There will also be a section to tick whether you have a disability. If you select yes, you'll be able to select your disability from a drop-down menu and also tick a box for the specific room type you would need with this. There will be an option for you to write to us providing more information on a disability. Please note that if you have a general inquiry or request you want to notify us about, do not write this here. Please send us this information in an email instead. If you have filled out this section, then you may be required to submit medical evidence. Please upload this or simply drag the evidence into the file upload box. You will now see a page which displays all of our different room types, as well as the number of rooms in each one. Please note that this is the overall number of rooms in these accommodation types and not the number of rooms available. On the next page, you'll be able to select your preferences. You need to submit a minimum of 4 preferences and a maximum of 7. You can tick whether you need an allergy room or a quiet low alcohol flat. You will then need to read our terms and conditions. Although there is a lot of information here, please take the time to read through this before you submit your application. You'll need to tick a box and write your applicant number to show that you've read this. You can now submit your application. You'll be sent to a page confirming that this has been submitted. If you have any questions, then you can always contact our accommodation office. Our email address is accom@uea.ac.uk and our number is 01603 592092.